Now, may I now request Dr. S.V. Veeramani, Sir, Chairman of PharmExcel, to kindly come and enlighten the August gathering. And Sir have been very beautifully been called the mentor of all the pillars of Pharma Ratna. Huge round of applause to Sir and for Sir.
Respected Shahbaz ji, Madam Anita Shahbaz, and also my friend, associate, so many years, Shirish Dabade ji, Jain ji, and so many people whom I know here. And also, as Madam Anita was telling, the family, Pharma Ratna family members. So happy to be here and invited him. And on coming over here, I could find the type of work Pharma Ratna Universe is doing in connecting pharma people all over the world. And the name Pharma Ratna Universe itself very apt for pharmaceutical industry. And Mr. Shahbaz ji in the beginning said so many good things. He said about healer of the world, because pharmaceutical industry is just not a business alone. It is something, with respect to it has got a social responsibility. We are doing, we are healthcare. We are helping the people benefit the patient. You saw some pictures of how the patient, the surgery was done and how the ailing patient has been, treated by pharma. So we in India should be very, very proud that, we are supplying pharma in the real world universe, we are supplying universally more than 200 countries, Indian pharmaceuticals going to more than 200 countries of the world. There is no other commodity, as far as I know, which goes to 200 countries. And and also another aspect is we want to assure healthcare to them. And when we manufacture pharmaceuticals in India, we don't differentiate the quality, whether goes to India or it goes to other country, it goes to any country for that matter. There is no change with respect to quality. Approach is the same all the time. So actually, many people have mentioned today in the meeting about quality. The most important thing, quality, and also Shahbaz was also talking about ethics. Dependability is very, very, very important. And somebody said in some interview that we can have a business deficit, but we should not have a trust deficit. So trust, everything goes on trust. So the credibility you do in business, you will stay there for a long, long time. As we saw some people, we have generations. Generations, how they have been because they have been trustworthy by the patient, by the people. That's how they are staying in the market. It's not pharma industry is not for a fly-by-night operators. It is for people who stay and live their life in pharma. So it's a very, very wonderful thing, and also coming and the Indian people, various parts of the world, coming and doing that, and a gathering of not only pharmaceutical manufacturers, also the regulators, the clinical researchers, and the law abiders, CDCSO. So many people are coming and gathered, and for one goal of putting up pharma. And we all should be very proud that we belong to the pharmaceutical industry. And I'm very happy. And from the part of PharmExcel is very, very happy. You would have known that even recent statistics have indicated among all the Indian exporting a little not so good this year, but among the people, country commodities, steadily growing is pharmaceuticals. And pharmaceuticals have done in the month of, done an export of 8% growth this year, up to October, November actually. And they made one jump of 29% growth in the month of October. So tremendous, and though I think there are some people in the gathering who want to export. They are doing so well in the manufacturing in India and Indian market, but they want to export. Really, I welcome them. I would say that you can write to PharmExcel. We will guide them how to become an exporter, and particularly GMP WHO certification is very important, and very happy that CDCSO, they are going on upgradation of Schedule M, and this new plan, this thing is coming, and once the Schedule M comes up, automatically new upgraded schedule comes up, and there will not be much of a difference between Schedule M and WHO GMP standards. So much so that many exporters, pharma exporters are going to emerge. Many manufacturers, more and more exporters are going to emerge from Indian pharmaceutical industry. It's all good for the industry, and from the point of view of Pharmexcel, I would extend the maximum excellent support for this. And once again, I would like to thank you and thank particularly you all on Shabaz ji, and Anita ji for the way this particular moment of recognizing good performers, quality, ethical approach, beautiful things, many good things I heard right from the morning, and very happy to be here. Thank you very much.